The modern world is a fast-paced one. Because of time constraints, most of us don't have time to volunteer and do something that could benefit us, our community, our ecosystem and our planet. Life is pretty chaotic, and working at least 8 hours a day can make us feel like we don't want to get out of our beds sometimes, let alone if we have family, kids, or pets that need most or all of our attention when we are home. We know how hard these situations can be. This is why we need new skills. Time management can be a skill learned in a volunteering action. If you know how to manage your own time, you can adjust everything in your day to your liking and make your week less exhausting. A component of being a volunteer is enjoying what you do. Most people only volunteer to strengthen their resume. You shouldn't. If you are away to make a positive impact and make the world a better place, try to discover something that you are enthusiastic about or something that encourages you to make healthy choices, and then find an organization in your community and start changing the world for the better. There are so many reasons why you should volunteer. You just have to find the one that corresponds to your personality, has an emotional impact on you, and helps you grow as a person. Here are 10 reasons why you should try volunteering. 1. Make a difference. Deciding how to spend your time can be hard. Think about your preferences and interests, and look for some volunteering options in your area, which are corresponding to your principles. Volunteering is an amazing act. You can make a difference in this world by volunteering and achieving planned goals, performing multiple healthy and eco-friendly tasks. Everything you do matters, and every good thing you do is a huge one for our health and our planet's health. If you choose to join a volunteering program that fits you, and it makes you more determined to help other people, your actions will have an amazingly beneficial impact in our world. 2. Help others. Volunteering is an amazing option if you want to do something good in your free time. Even though there are no financial rewards implicated in a volunteering act, helping people in need, the animals and the environment will be the only rewards you will need in order to live in a better world, to have a better future, both you and other beings. Whether you want to help endangered animals around the world, teach kids how to understand their emotions better, or provide food and water to people in need, you are basically a savior. Volunteers are amazing people that help others in order to achieve their potential and be a better version of themselves. 3. Be healthier. Volunteering can improve and maintain your mental and physical health. Studies have shown that helping other people reduces stress, combats depression, improves brain function, decreases the risk of high blood pressure, boosts your memory, keeps you mentally stimulated, and keeps you motivated in order for you to achieve your goals. It also allows you to practice your social skills if you are not generally an extroverted person. So if you are having a hard time meeting and communicating with people, we think volunteering is the best option for you. What about you? 4. Develop new skills. Did you ever want to be a leader? Some people may think that leaders are natural born, but they are incredibly wrong. Leadership is learned whether in school or volunteering activities and programs, and it is not about bossing people around, but about managing and working with people as a team, listening to their ideas, and taking decisions only after the brainstorming is done, and you have listened to all of their opinions. Because there is no right or wrong answer and we are all equal. Many other skills can be learned within a volunteering program or activity, such as cooperation, creativity, management, self-management, time management, work ethics, and much more. Everything you do, and every little thing you learn, may be a life changer, and may have an amazing impact, not only on your future, but on all of ours. 5. Meet people with the same interests as you. When and if you choose a volunteering program or activity that suits you, your chances to meet people with the same interests as you and make more friends are higher. For example, if you choose to volunteer abroad, you can make friendships internationally. Volunteers from many countries will become your dearest friends. There you will be able to share your stories, make new ones, and have awesome experiences that will allow you to get to know each other better and bring you closer. We can often be our worst enemies. This can make us insecure, more stressed and doubtful about us and our ability to make new friends. But one thing is for sure, we people don't have mind reading abilities and we can't know what goes through a person's mind. So stop making scenarios in your head and begin living by starting new conversations with new people. 6. You will live longer. Everyone benefits from a short improvement in exercising and physical health. But it seems like people who volunteer live longer, are less likely to have a disease, and they boost their health only by volunteering on a long term. Studies have shown that regular volunteers seek preventive medical care more often, and they are more aware of health remedies and cures like flu shots and cholesterol analyzers. Besides that, by volunteering you can make your life easier, healthier and change your perspectives about everything. If you choose to volunteer, you can boost your mood, mental health, and physical health too. All of these improvements can lead to a longer and happier life. 7. Gives you a purpose. When is your next vacation programmed? Utilize those days to make a difference. Use your time off from your daily tasks to make a positive impact, no matter your location. Life is meaningless unless you give it one. If your life has already a meaning, try giving others meaning too. There are lots of people in need, lots of causes that are long forgotten and nobody cares about them. We are lucky to have a warm meal on our table, but they have to fight to survive every day. They need volunteers. We need volunteers and our entire planet needs volunteers. Gandhi said that you should be the change you want to see in the world. You are the last piece of the puzzle, the most important person in this world, because you are special, and you can do so much good. Every one of us has a pure heart. Let's use it. 8. Helps you know yourself better. Volunteering is a pleasant and simple method to explore your hobbies and passions. Volunteering for something that you find meaningful and engaging can be a relaxing and amazing form to break out of your daily routine and do something else, something good. It can also help you in your personal and professional life by improving your mood, your overall health, and by teaching you new skills and soft skills. If you find yourself too overwhelmed at work and you need a way to relieve tension and stress, just take some time for yourself and your hobbies as well by finding a volunteering program that fits your schedule and also your preferences, values and motivates you to be more active. Because physical activity can boost your mood and works even better in combination with fresh air, helping people and protecting the environment. 9. Gets you out of your comfort zone. Life is about challenging yourself. Several studies show that helping others is essential to reaching a better sense of happiness, increasing your self-esteem, and building more profound relationships with people. We think that volunteering matters more than words because, in our eyes, an act of kindness is like 100 billion ways to say I care about you and your future. It doesn't matter if you don't know where to start or you are feeling scared of doing something new. Life is about experiencing something new all the time. This is why volunteering gives you a boost of confidence and takes you out of your comfort zone. People, animals and the environment all are in danger, and we have to start doing little things to help and improve their existence. keep in mind that those little things matter most. 10. Learn something new. Volunteering can help you learn so many things. Besides those new languages, new skills, you can gain experience and sometimes even qualifications. You can actually practice leadership, and if it suits you, and you choose the right program, you can lead an entire volunteering organization. It's like having your own legal firm, with actual responsibilities and real consequences, but only for practice. This way you could even find out if you are a natural born entrepreneur, and if you are not, well, you will realize that actually leaders are not born, but made, and you have plenty of time to learn only by doing things that you love and volunteering at the same time for a non-profit organization. Improve your skills and be our hero. Our planet could use a savior. Will that be you?